Both chauffeurs and drivers play an important role in the transportation industry, and both deserve recognition for the work they do. But have you ever wondered what these two professionals sets them apart? While they may seem similar on the surface, there are actually many differences between being a chauffeur and being a driver. In this video, I will dive deeper into the unique skills and expertise required for each role and explore how they contribute into the grand transportation industry as a whole. So whether you're a seasoned professional driver or simply someone who is curious about the world of chauffeuring, this video is for you.
My name is Ratko, a Sydney-based chauffeur, aka Ray. On this channel I share my passion by giving you a glimpse into my chauffeur life.
Very central Sydney location from 12 p.m. until from 11 p.m. to 12, so 1 hour they charge you $6.70. Wednesday, 5th of April 2023. Since I bought the ticket, all I need to do is just maybe find some location. Let's have a brief chat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to touch the world of professional driving and explore the differences between the two roles, a chauffeur and a driver. At first glance you might think that these two positions are interchangeable, but after all they both involve operating a vehicle to transport people or things from one place to another. However, there's a world of differences between these two, and understanding these nuances can completely change your perception of what it means to be a professional driver. When we talk about being just a driver and not a chauffeur, we are typically referring to those who work in the ride-hailing or taxi industry. While there are exceptions, drivers in these roles are generally focused on providing a functional service to their passengers, getting them from point A to point B as quickly and efficiently as possible. As a result, the expectations for drivers in these roles are often quite different from those placed on a chauffeur. While a chauffeur must be an expert in customer service, a driver typically doesn't need to interact with their passengers beyond basic greetings and providing directions. They may not need to dress in a formal attire or have an understanding of etiquette and the protocol. Instead, the key qualities of a successful driver often include being a safe and reliable driver, having a good knowledge of the local roads and traffic patterns, and being able to navigate using GPS technology. Did you know that you can climb the bridge? And these people are just doing that. So you can actually visit an office here in Sydney, and you can organize climbing the Sydney Harbour Bridge, which is, I think, amazing experience. Good communication skills are also important, as drivers may need to provide directions or communicate with passengers about their route or estimated arrival time. While there's certainly skill involved in being a successful driver, the role doesn't typically demand the level of sophistication and attention to detail as that of a chauffeur. Instead, drivers may be evaluated more on metrics such as punctuality, driving safety, and overall customer satisfaction with their ride. There are certainly similarities between being a driver and being a chauffeur. The key differences lie in the level of service and attention to detail that each role demands. A chauffeur is focused on creating a bespoke, personalized experience for their clients, while the driver is more focused on providing functional service to get their passengers to their destination quickly and safely. And look what I just found. It's actually piano. Play piano right here in Sydney, and also a chair. On this channel I've talked a lot about the qualities that make top-notch chauffeur. I've discussed the art of customer service, the importance of paying attention to detail, and the skills required to navigate a luxury car through a traffic with ease. I've also explored the importance of understanding and adapting to unique needs of each client, whether it's providing a comfortable ride for a busy executive or luxurious experience for a high-profile celebrity. But what sets chauffeuring apart from the everyday task of driving a car is much more just a technical skill and knowledge. It's about embodying a level of elegance, sophistication, and attentiveness that goes beyond just driving from point A to point B. Chauffeurs often work with high-end transportation companies or private clients such as CEOs or celebrities. They are trained to provide a bespoke VIP experience tailored to individual preferences of their clients. To become top-notch chauffeur, you must be well-versed in the art of customer service. You must be able to anticipate in your clients' needs and wants, and often before they even ask. This means paying attention to details such as temperature, lighting, or music. It means understanding the etiquette of the opening doors, offering refreshments, and communicating with clients in a professional manner. Furthermore, chauffeuring requires a level of professionalism, presentation that is unmatched by other types of driving. A chauffeur must dress impeccably, often in a suit and tie or other formal attire, and maintain a high standard of professional grooming. They may also have a deep understanding of etiquette and the protocol, such as knowing to address clients. In contrast, the everyday task of driving a car may require some technical skill, but it doesn't typically demand the same level of professionalism and attention to detail as chauffeuring. For example, a driver for a ride-hailing service may focus on getting their passengers from point A to point B without the same level of attention to the client's comfort and preferences. This is the best harbour in the world. Why? Harbour Bridge behind me. And also on the other side you've got the other landmark, the other most famous landmark in Australia, which is the Opera House. And next to the Opera House, this huge ship called the Ovation of the Seas is also docked in the place called Overseas Passenger Terminal. There are a lot of people arriving from different parts of the world, including United States, Europe, and also other places too. So the harbour bridge behind me, that's the central Sydney on the right hand side, and also the Sydney Opera House. Amazing. As we explore the world of professional driving, we will discover that being a chauffeur is about much more than simply getting behind the wheel. A chauffeur is all about creating an experience that's personalized, comfortable, and unforgettable. I hope you've gained some better understanding of the unique roles of each professional plays in the transportation industry. At the end of the day, both chauffeurs and drivers are essential for getting people where they need to go, whether it's for business, pleasure, or everyday activities. So the next time you're on the road, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into keeping our cities moving. And now I would like to hear from you. Which mode of transportation do you prefer when traveling, and why? Let me know in the comments below. I almost reply to every single comment. Thanks for watching.